Okay, good morning, dear class 9 students. And today I am going to teach you a few of the important topic of our chapter West Bengal. We are learning, and today in this class we are going to learn about a river of North Bengal, our area, North Bengal river. What type of river is there? What all are the names? Okay, and in which direction its flow? I am going to tell you in this class, and after getting that knowledge, we will just move towards the river of South Bengal. Okay, and also we will learn today in this class water resources of West Bengal. And in last, we are going to learn about the uses of water resources. Uses of water resources we will finish, and then I am going to provide you work. Okay, so let's have a look before going towards our this sections. Plus, first you please take it out, page number 120 from your geography textbook. So, river of North Bengal. First, we have to know which all are the river. What all are the name of North Bengal river, my dear students? We are going to learn first. So, number one, we will write point wise. We will write. The river, the important rivers of North Bengal are number one, Mahananda, number two, Jaldhaka, number three, Avar, which flow, which came from Bhutan, Tursa, number four, Tista, and in number five we can write Sankos. In number five we can write Sankos. So these all are the river of West Bengal. And West Bengal river flow from mountainous to plain regions. West Bengal river always flow from, North Bengal river always flow from mountainous and plain regions. Number 2 points we got. Number 3 points we can write like, the river flow from southward directions. These 3 points we are going to write for the questions river of North Bengal. Now let's see the second point, river. My dear students, river of South Bengal. We are going to write first name, and after that the same which we have done there in the North Bengal river. Same things we are going to write. So number one we will write Hooghly river. Yes or no? Number two we will write Damodar river. Number three we will write Rupnarayan. We are going to write. Number four we will write Bhagirathi. Number five we are going to write Ajay. Ajay is not a name of a person here. It's a river. So river of South Bengal we are going to write number one. Number one river we are going to write Bhagirathi. Number two Hooghly. Yes or no? Number three Rupnarayan. Number four Damodar. Damodar river is also known as the Sorrow river of West Bengal. Number five we are going to write Ajay. Ajay is also a river of South Bengal, my dear students. So we have understood first point. Now second point, what we have said in the river of North Bengal, we have said the river flow from mountainous to plain region. Here we can write the river flow from plateau to plain region, my dear students. Yes or no? Number 2 points also we have understood. Now number 3 points, in North Bengal we have written river flow from southward directions. Okay, so here in South Bengal river we can write river flow from eastward direction, my dear students. So these 3 points for this, 3 points for this, 3 marks, 3 marks. Okay, so 3 points only we are going to write. Now our second last point is water resources of West Bengal. Let me tell you the water resources of West Bengal. West Bengal has got abundant of water resources, my dear students. Okay, and water has been used, and also it has been kept for the agriculture uses. Okay, so let's see. About 7.5% of Indian total water resources is present here in the West Bengal. In the total area of West Bengal, in total state of West Bengal, we have in India, total state in India we have 28 state. Yes or no? So West Bengal rank Total resources of India, total water resources of India, West Bengal have stored water resources of around 7.5%. 7.5%. This shows that West Bengal has abundant of water resources, my dear students. So we are going to write for this point. We are going to write. Please do not follow the book, because in book it has just given an introductions, but in the exam they will be asking you point wise the water resources of West Bengal. So we are going to write number 1 point. West Bengal has abundant of water resources. Okay. Number 2 points we are going to write. It store around 7.5% of total water resources of India. Okay, and West Bengal has a good backup of our water resources for agriculture purpose. So we have understood this. Yes or no? We have understood this, and now the last point: uses of water resources. How the West Bengal is using its water resources. Uses of water resources. This one is a little bit important points, and we are going to write again our answer uses. Again our answer point wise uses of water resources. Answer will be our it's used for it uses for irrigations. It uses for irrigations. Okay. Uses for, let's not write uses, it utilized for, it utilized for irrigations purpose. Okay, you can add here purpose. It utilized for drinking purpose, Okay, number 3, the large rivers, the big rivers like Damodar, the big river like Hooghly, their water is also utilized for productions of electricity. It also stored for producing of electricity. So my dear students, these all points make our these topics and today class complete, my dear students. So in last we have got a very important one, the uses of water resources in West Bengal. We have the questions, what all are the uses of water resources of West Bengal. So simply we are going to write the answer. It utilized for agriculture purpose like irrigation facilities. Irrigations means watering the fields, crops. Okay, and number 2 we can write it's also utilized for drinking purpose. Okay, number 3 we will write like big rivers like Damodar, Hooghly, their water stored in a dam, and it's utilized also for producing of electricity, my dear students. So this all 4 points here. I hope you are going to prepare a note at home. Video class always. Do not watch like you watch videos there in the YouTube. Okay. because in YouTube, once if you will see, if you will watch the video, you will just memorize all those songs and steps of dance. But in the learning method, video, at least you have to watch it for 4 or 5 times. That all four topics you have to make a questions and you have to prepare a note. Thank you.